Hi guys, my name's Alfonso with Atlantic Marine, and today we're going to talk to you about this Chris Craft. This is a 20-foot Chris Craft, and we repowered this boat. What does repower mean? Repower means that you bring us your boat to our facility. We de-rig your boat, gauges, control, key switch, engine, everything comes off, and we re-rig your boat with the new Suzuki product. This customer went with the 200 Suzuki White 25-inch shaft 2018 model. This comes with a 6-year warranty. Financing is available, and you can visit our website at atlanticmarinestore.com. Over here, the analog includes the RPM gauge, the mile per hour gauge, the boat meter gauge, the gas. He also wants to put the timer on it. That's additional because he wanted to go with the mile per hour. So we're also going to install his hour meter gauge as well. Also comes with the control, it comes with the key switch, and financing is available. Visit our website at atlanticmarinestore.com. Give us a call at 305-826-2202. From Atlantic Marine, goodbye.